Come spend the day with us at the beach, right? Say beach? Beach? No? Okay. We are, where we at? We are at First Landing State Park today. So we did not go to the ocean front
4 hours and
or
26 seconds.
Ocean View where we normally go. But we tried out a different beach. I think next time I want to try Little Neck. Just keep trying different ones until I find one that I like. I'm not a fan of the ocean front. Too many people, too much going on. So we'll see if we like this one. Okay? Walk. You gotta walk. 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 There you go. Walk. There you go. Yeah. What do you see? Come on, Squeaky. Squeaking away.
All the way up here.
All the way up here. Well, that'll be John Brown if this isn't just as packed as everything else. We have to find a spot out here.
Mom, look, I can see.
Yeah?
This one doesn't cost money. It's hot. Don't touch that right.
They are having a full-blown party over there. I don't know if you can see, but they have a whole table for food. I want to be like them.
Thank you, Mom.
And shout out to them because they helped us put this tent up. We were struggling, but we were only struggling because my husband doesn't listen.
No, it is hot and it doesn't
Babe,
taste like.
after you put the little, the little rails in, or whatever you want to call it, I said you need to go ahead and put some sand in the bags so that it can get a little bit of weight on it. No, you don't. That's not what you do. That's not gonna help. Lo and behold, the man came right over here after an hour of us struggling and said, "You need some weight on it."
I don't like it.
That man don't want to listen to me.
It's hot.
I done already told him I am a survivalist.
I am so
Okay?
hot, I
fish,
wanna go to the
I
pool.
crab. I've never really hunted, but I think I can do that too.
I'm hot.
Maybe. I don't want to kill no animal for
I'm
real.
hot.
But We're at the beach. What you thought you were gonna be? And I told you should have put on swim trunks.
Dad told me to
You put on the
these.
bodysuit.
Dad
You should
told me-
listen to your mother. See what I'm saying? None of them listen to me.
I was listening, but
All of a
but
sudden, they all listen to me. It's crazy.
I was listening, but guess what?
What?
Dad told me to put on
Whose
these.
juice? Yours that your brother's pouring out. Here. Here. You can drink it like that? Let's see. Yeah, keep your shoes right there. That's a good spot. You want to take? You could leave them right there.
From there. Yeah, feel it. Woo. Go play your
That is so funny. He will not come in the water with me. I feel attacked. Why won't you come in the water with me? I guess because if the scary person gets in the water, they know it must be safe.
Okay. Boy, it feels amazing. What you scared of? Come on. Come on.
Hey. Sand all in your hair. Big wave. Your brother's running away. Stop. Hendrix, you are throwing sand everywhere. I'm going to move away from you. You got to wait for another. Oh, here comes a big one. Ready? It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Whoa, big wave. Help with what? Don't throw it. You have sand all in my hair. Yeah. Gotta wait for a big one. Oh, I think this is a big one. Oh, you ran away. Big one. Hi. Hey, what do y'all got going on? I done got an extra child. She won't leave her side. It's more like a sand pool. Is that a sand pool? A pool of sand. You gotta dig some more.
Come on, my nigga.
Are you playing nice? Are you playing nice? Okay, you better.
Get his shoes. Oh my God, he fell again.
Rinse his hands again.
No.
Hendrix.
Come on. Oh shit, boy, it's hot. Dang. Get over here. What y'all feeling shit?
I'm gonna get Enzo. At this point, I think you're doing it on purpose. Come on, baby.
Enzo and King.
King went back because Enzo had to go back. That's what I just said. He was
Come
doing
on,
it on
Ma.
purpose.
Took a break.
Then what about your feet? Then what about your feet?
It's good. Cat chicken. Chicken. Yeah, good.
Good.
Good. Yeah, they out there. Hey, he made it and did not drop that chicken bone. He still got it up in the air. Eat that chicken down there. Y'all make this for Hendrix?
I did.
Oh, I know he loves this.
There we go.
The best big brother ever.
And Monty literally started looking. Okay, Enzo, get some. Let him do it. Let him do something.
Now all the kids are over here with mom. Now mom can watch some kids.
Mom is going back up there.
No,
We made a spot for you to chill in the water, bro.
If I would have had a hat on my sunglasses. Miles, you ready to go to bed?
Where is it? What's wrong? Oh, Enzo, go get us some water, yo.
Look at all that sand in that head. He gonna cry, cry, cry. So they have made a little pool for Hendrix playing down by the shore.
Everybody got some water to get in, you know. Everybody chilling. Look, Kenny. Are you trying to pat it?
Come here, what happened? Come here. Apparently nothing, because he's still going. Yeah, the whole ocean is coming into the pool now. It's no longer a pool. Is that his chicken bone that just washed back up? Oh my God.
Oh, it's feet.
Because the wall fell.
Huh?
They come last.
Is that them?
No.
They have
Hold on, because your dad is... It doesn't matter, King.
These are the baby crabs.
Crabby.
The
So pretty. Come on, buddy. Look at the puppy. Look. The puppy's leaving.
Okay.
At least someone was concerned. Come on, bud. Bye-bye. Your brothers are missing you. Come on.
Oh.
What do you see? I don't see anything.